So content providers, when thinking about data in the context of transparency, I would suggest there are three real areas to be thinking about. The first is, how is that data utilized? Data really is the engine that can drive revenue in the programmatic ecosystem. So it can be the difference between a very effective yield optimization strategy and one which is just average and leaves money on the table. So the question really is, does the tooling, does the partner, does the ad tech provider have the capability to use that data in the most effective way to help maximize that revenue? The second area is really one about transparency and insight to the data. Can you see the data that's flowing through the system? Can you have insight into all aspects of the transaction? Can you see the inputs? Can you see the outputs? Can you have tooling, which user interfaces, which let you see what's going on? Does your provider give you those things? Do they not just give you the capability to look at the data, but actually encourage you to do so? And if the answer to those questions is no, you can't get that sort of insight, access to the data, I think a very good question to ask to the provider is why not? Because in the spirit of transparency, I don't think there's really any reason why that shouldn't be possible. The third area is then taking the data and building products on top of that. That can be reports, it can be data feeds, it can be whole applications. It's all about taking that data and adding that additional layer of value on top of the data. Data itself isn't valuable until you it's like any asset, it's until you exploit that asset for the value it gives you. And really you want to be looking to your ad tech provider to help you do that and gain that value.